I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys my glass amber oil dispensers. So I have been in love with these oil dispensers because I have a large collection of different oils that I use for my skin and hair and my diffuser. And I wanted a way to organize all of my oils and have them look uniformed. And so I purchased these bottles. So I use them for my peppermint oil, lavender oil, Jamaican castor oil for my hair, all of my different oils, and I really enjoy using them. I think that they're good quality, very well made, and I just usually twist them off, and like this one's my peppermint oil, and you can just drop a few drops onto your skin and just rub it in. So I love the ease and convenience of these oil dispensers, and they do a really good job at retaining the freshness and the scent of each oil. So if you're looking for a nice uniformed way to organize your oils, I definitely would recommend these bottles. And that's my point of view.